Now that I've got them cut in DIYs, I'll start laying them. And then once they're laid, that shower base is done. I'm not having to wait for my mud to dry. Makes the process too slow. I haven't brought in my clips, so I'll have to get them. And then we just pop it down, just like that. I'll be back in a sec. Get some clips there into it. Nice. Nice. Oh, that's when you get glue on your shirt. But that's why you have work clothes. Where's my rubber hammer? And tap it nicely into place. The only trouble when you're putting glue on fresh mud DIYs is if you've done something wrong, it is very hard to take up your tile. It will pull all your mud up. So that's one thing you must try not to do. Put it down and it's there to stay. Buzz off trowel. I need some water. Got waterproof on my hands. Nice, nice.